G'day guys, thanks for dropping by. I've got three BSA gearboxes here today, 1920s they are, and customers dropped them in and asked me if I could give them a clean and make them look new again. So if you could give me a couple of minutes of your time, I'm quite happy to take you along and just show you how I go about making these look flash. So here's a quick look at what they look like prior to blasting. They're straight from the customer's shelf. That one's a bit dirty on the inside, we'll give that a squirt in there as well. What we'll do now is we'll pop them in the sandblasting cabinet for stage one, and I'll give you a look at those when they're done. So first things first, I'll just pop them in here one at a time and knock all this junk off them. I'll see if I can mount this camera up on the window and give you a look. So that's one of the gearbox cases there done. As you can see, that finish is quite gentle. I've got my garnet blasting cabinet set up so that it doesn't cause any damage to the aluminium, and the wet blasting process will bring that up like new. And we've cleaned the inside of that one, so there's no 100-year-old gunk in there. We'll quickly do these other ones and get onto the wet blasting side of things. So there's the three of them after the dry blasting process. They're looking okay. They'll look even better when I've wet blasted them. We'll pop one over in the cabinet now. So we'll pop this one into our big hydroblasting cabinet here. That's glass and water slurry, 2 litres a second, 80 pound of air behind it. Anyway, we'll get onto that. I'll mount the camera up on the window and give you a look inside. Oh, it's probably a bit too early to ask you about the like and subscribe business, so I'll do that at the end of the video. See what I did there? So we just give that a quick rinse off with water, get rid of the glass. A quick workout with some air. And there's that one done, as opposed to those ones just dry blasted. Looking very nice, isn't it? And look at that, someone's given me a 2-star rating. I would have said 5 stars. Anyway, we'll do these two now and job's done. So there we go folks, there's the three of them out of the blasting cabinet. They're looking beautiful. Have a look down in there, that's nice and clean too. This seriously is the only method you'd use to clean up old aluminium stuff for your vintage restorations. About an hour's work in that. So there you go guys, all done. You wouldn't reckon that was 100 years old. That looks sensational. Anyway, thanks for coming along for the ride. Now's probably the time. Hit that like and subscribe. Don't forget to tell all your friends. Leave some comments, do all that stuff. And I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you.